Number one on the list is outliving your savings. How long is that going to last? Especially now that people are living to 90. I mean, we used to have the good sense to die at 75, but now we're just all up in the 90s, especially if you're 60 years old now. So, what are you going to do? How do you protect yourself with assets?
So
Uh,
true. So
yeah,
very true. And not only are we living to 90, we're living to 90 with spunk and vigor, vim and vigor.
spunk and vigor, spunk and vigor. That's, I
we
mean,
not
many
just we
situations.
just not crawled up on our couch and not moving. We out traveling and spending money.
Exactly, exactly. Especially that spending money. There's a couple of options out there, and believe it or not, my favorite is some type of annuity that
Mm.
actually pays you money until the end of your life, perhaps, or until for a certain amount of time, or you can even set it up so it pays your beneficiary for a certain amount of time or for their end of life. And so I like the idea of an annuity. There's a special annuity out there that many advisors use. It's called a quality life annuity contract, and it's specifically designed for people to receive assets in their later years. So the long and short of it, for most of these issues, is going to be talk with a financial advisor. But it's good to hear the term a couple of times before you go and talk with a financial advisor. So I'm glad folks are going to take a chance and or take the time rather say hear this so they know some things to ask their financial advisor about. So when it comes to outliving your savings, think about having an annuity that's going to pay you X amount of dollars, which means we need to do some planning, figure out what our needs are. But an annuity is a pretty good way to go, especially one of those qualified life annuity contracts that are designed to pay you when you get old. Okay, so number one is outliving your savings. That's a big worry. Number two is, are you going to have enough, right? And how much do you need when you're going to retire? Like, so, I mean,